Welcome to Auto Fanatic. I want to present to you a beautiful 2003 Mustang GT in zinc yellow. It has 55,000 original miles, no accidents, all original body panels, never been modified. I mean, where are you going to find one of these? You might, but are you going to find one in this beautiful zinc yellow with a black top? Beautiful black pinstriping, as you can see along the top. On the sides there, comes with the factory polished wheels, has awesome Goodyear all-season tires on them. They're the Eagle Sports. New brake pads, I would say new, about 75%, 75 to 80% at this point. Newer, I should say. Tires have nice chunky tread all the way around on them. I would say probably about 75 to 80% tread. This car is in amazing shape. Like I said, all original body panels, original wheels, original exhaust. Everything is original on it. The top is in perfect shape, functions properly, just the way it's supposed to. Sorry, it just started sprinkling out here, but I just wanted to make a quick video because this car is going up for sale. It will be sold. I am not keeping this car. It's time for it to move on to a new owner, hit some car shows with it, just enjoy. So please excuse a little bit of light drizzle that's happening here. Nothing to hide though under this rain, let me tell you. This car is pretty pristine. It's beautiful. As you can see underneath the hood here, we still have factory markings from Ford, still evident on the radiator hoses. These are things you just don't find anymore. Take a look at that. That's pretty awesome. You know, pretty awesome. 55,000 miles. Like I said, you could see here, original. You could see, let me see if I could kind of catch it there. You have all your, bolts aren't turned. All original paint. This car is ready to roll, let me tell you. You just turn the key in and you drive it. This is the car. You put the top down, you take it to the car shows, you cruise with it. It's automatic transmission, shifts perfectly, sounds great, gets great gas mileage, believe it or not, for a V8. You really can't beat this. This car is freaking awesome. I love it. But it's time to see a new home. Super clean, no rips or tears in the interior. Look at this car. It's freaking beautiful, man. I'm telling you, if you are in the market for a Mustang of this body style, you found it. You found it. And again, I want you to know that even these door panels are usually all tore up. Has an amazing history. It's pretty cool. This car was, here he goes. Let me see if I can focus in on that. It was a previously Canadian vehicle, so this thing has been to Canada and back. But here you go. Here's the sticker that everybody wants to see. It was manufactured by Ford Motor Company, imported by Family Management Corporation on the date 2003. So this car was born in Canada, but it came here right away. It's lived its life in the good old US of A. So nothing to worry about there. I registered this car, no problem. It's not even a question. This car is all American. No questions, everything. Imported properly. It's just like any other Mustang, no different. No miles per hour, no different. Actually, let me start it up for you. I'm excited to start this bad boy up. All original, like I said. So, as you can see, it has 55,208 miles. Sounds great. Like I said, you will not find another like it. I mean, everything about this car, it's in exceptional shape. You still have your original in-dash 6-disc CD changer, AC works, heat works, everything, even the buttons, everything about it works just perfectly fine. Just, you hear all the knobs, they work. I mean, this is, the door chime works. The seatbelt chime works. You'll hear it in a few seconds probably pop on saying, hey, put me on. Like I said, it's raining. I don't want to take the top down, but I promise you, I have 100% positive feedback. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the top. It goes up and down just as good as it looks. So no need to worry about that. Functions exactly the way it should. Beautiful car. Oil freshly changed. You have a brand new battery. Let me see what else you have here. The brakes are newer, the tires are newer. Like I said, this car is ready to roll. You have your keyless entry. It comes with one key, one keyless entry. I didn't get more than that. You see the brake pads over there. Everything about it. I mean, I'm looking, so let me try to point out any imperfection I see. You know, you got a few tiny little scratches. I mean, it's tiny. You know, this would probably, I could just, yeah, this I could even get out. It looks like scuffed with somebody. Oh, there it goes. It's coming out right there. Looks like a sneaker, the back of a sneaker just scuffed it. It's gone. It's beautiful. Rims aren't exactly perfect, but they're, you know, close enough. Tiny little curvage. I didn't even realize it until I was washing that they were curbed from the previous owner a tiny bit. I used curb very lightly again. But overall, I don't even really believe it has a shopping cart ding on it. I thought I saw one somewhere, but I could have been mistaken. Let's just say it has a few tiny ones, which honestly, I'm exaggerating at that point. I know for a fact I'm exaggerating. You will not find a better new edge Ford Mustang convertible, automatic, 55,000 original miles. I mean, I can't stress this enough. These cars are extinct. You're not gonna find it. Look how nice and smooth the engine works. Factory markings all over the place. I mean, this is what you want. This is what you want to go to the car show with. This is what you want to show everyone. You got all your stickers and everything. Let me focus in on there. Come on, this again. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. I'm gonna start the auction. No reserve. If one bidder bids on it, you win. If 10 bidders bid on it, the last one wins. This car, and I will throw a buy it now on there for someone that just needs this car and doesn't want to play the game of, you know, bidding on it. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. All windows work, heat works, air condition work, fog lights work, radio works, 6-disc CD changer works. There's no issues. If there was any, I would tell you, has original carpets in there still. The seats are original. Back seats, hear the door chime. Actually, that's the seatbelt chime, excuse me. Look at the back seats. You do have a tiny bit of wear, you know, on the inside of there. No rips or tears. I think they sell some sort of, I guess you could call it like a dye if you really are crazy and you want to take some of those cracks out. But again, we're talking about a 15-year-old vehicle that looks like this. I promise you, there's newer Mustangs on the road that aren't as clean as this, that have more miles than this. This is a car you get and you enjoy it. Drive it. Don't just put it away. Just drive it and enjoy it. Again, the paint shines. I've Rain-X'd all the glass. I've waxed the paint with premium products. I'm not going to name them here. You have your new battery. You have, you know, fresh fluids inside. You can see it has all fresh fluids. No, you probably can't tell, but they're all fresh. Power steering's been flushed. Brake fluid's been flushed. Oil's been changed. Everything is done. I mean, this car's ready to roll. It's ready to rock. Don't let it pass you by. Come on. Zinc yellow with the black top, black pinstripe, black house lights. These are all Ford. Let me tell you, these are original Fords, baby. These aren't any aftermarket stuff. This is the way it came. This is all Ford. The wheels, just as you see it. All glass, all original. I don't know if you can see, you know, you got the Mustang, you got the horse running. Clean auto. There's no stories behind this. The only story that there's gonna be is you driving and enjoying the hell out of this car. Again, once it's gone, it's gone. It's gonna go in someone's hands, and then at that point, they dictate the price, excuse me. You need to own this car. This is an awesome entry-level car show vehicle. You take it to car shows, it needs a few little things, I would say, even if you wanna change interior mats or so on and so forth, make it perfect. But this is one of those cars in the all-stock division. It could take home a trophy. This could be a trophy winner. Excuse me, let me close the hood so you guys get a good look at it with the hood down. There we go. Beautiful, all body lines and no weird gaps on the car, no weird exhaust systems or body kits or anything crazy like that. Take a look on eBay. Choose wisely when you're purchasing a Mustang and spending this kind of money. This is the one you want, not the one with the crazy lowering kit and a crazy exhaust system and no catalytic